Welcome to the Metgain presentation. Metgain is the first entrepreneur system which was established in 2022. And the company's corporate office is located in Bedford, UK. Metgain has the vision to empower every retailer and help them earn a safe, secure, and assured profit. Metgain has launched a profit-sharing program for small investors. The system allows you to make a profit in crypto staking with a safe and assured return on your investment. Metgain staking platform is a process that involves committing your crypto assets to support a blockchain network and confirm transactions. It's available with cryptocurrencies that use the proof of stake model to process payments. This is a more energy-efficient alternative to the original proof of work model. Metgain has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market. Upcoming projects: centralized crypto exchange, NFT digital gaming platform, blockchain for small, medium-scale industries and governments. Metgain token supply, allocation, distribution. Total supply 10 crore. Token name Meta Smart Token Platform. Tron Scan type TRC20. Symbol METG. 25% for the staking purpose, 25% for the staking distribution, 25% for the referral distribution, 25% for the foundation. Welcome to a mighty plan. So let's understand how the system works. Enroll in the system by first registering for free and skills on the job. Joining package: 100 USDT. Customers will receive a $100 value Metgain token with 1 year lock-in. Need activation to use staking and swapping functions. Conditions: 1. Users can deposit the amount in the system wallet at any time by paying USDT. 2. Users can withdraw at any time by paying a deduction of $2. 3. Users can transfer the deposit funds to another user's wallet without any deduction. Staking income. Conditions: 1. Users can do staking only with custom tokens developed by Metgain. 2. Users can use the swapping platform and all the swap tokens will be auto-staked. 3. If someone has a custom token in his deck, he can also use them for staking purposes. 4. User can do swapping from his software's wallet of minimum any amount of token. 5. Staking income will be separate for different staking. A. Staking income will be generated on staked tokens and will be distributed as follows. 1. For staking income. 2. 3% of staked tokens 30 days. B. For principal amount. 1. The principal amount will also be distributed as 3% every month divided by 30 days. 2. Principal amount will be on decreasing basis and so like staking income. Incomes: Ranks V1 on joining eligibility. Ranks V2 3 direct eligibility. Ranks V3 3 direct and 3 V2 in different legs, total team 20. You can see the next income on the screen. Incomes: Ranks V1 direct 20%, staking referral income 20% from direct staking. Ranks V2 direct 30%, staking referral income 30% from direct staking. Ranks V3 direct 40%, staking referral income 40% from direct staking. Staking referral peer income 10%, activation peer income $1. You can see the next income on the screen. Global dividend. Conditions: 1. V7 users will get 10% from all staking income distributed by the company in a month. 2. Every V7 user will get equally from 10%. 3. Monthly closing. Token price roadmap. Metgain price slab starting price. You can see on the screen how the price of Metgain token has been after step by step. Then friends, this is the right way for you to get a good income. Global royalty. Conditions: 1. V7 users will get 10% from all new activation in a month. 2. Every V7 user will get an equally 10%. 3. Monthly closing. Join the leader fast and take your top positions and start earning money. You can enroll in the system on its official website www.metgain.io. Thanks for watching this video.